Did you know a single sip of strawberry lemonade could transform your health? That's right. This refreshing drink isn't just a summer favorite. It's packed with incredible health benefits that your body will thank you for. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll never look at strawberry lemonade the same way again. First off, let's talk about why strawberry lemonade is so good for you. You've got two powerhouse ingredients working together: strawberries and lemons. Now, these aren't just tasty fruits, they're nutritional gold mines. Let's break it down. Strawberries are loaded with antioxidants, especially vitamin C. In fact, just 1 cup of strawberries gives you over 100% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. That means you're giving your immune system a serious boost. And who doesn't need that these days? Plus, the antioxidants in strawberries help protect your cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and even certain cancers. Ever wondered why strawberries are so bright and vibrant? It's not just for looks. The rich color comes from compounds called anthocyanins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. So every time you sip on strawberry lemonade, you're not just cooling down, you're doing your heart a favor. Amazing, right? Now let's talk about lemons. You probably already know they're great for detoxing, but did you know that lemons are also a fantastic source of vitamin C, just like strawberries? Drinking lemon juice has been linked to improved digestion and weight loss because it helps stimulate your digestive enzymes. That's why you often hear about people starting their mornings with lemon water. Plus, lemons are alkalizing. You might be thinking, wait, aren't lemons acidic? Surprisingly, once metabolized, lemons have an alkalizing effect on the body, helping to balance pH levels and keep your body in a more balanced state. This can lead to better skin, improved energy levels, and even reduced inflammation. Now, combine those benefits. Strawberry lemonade isn't just a tasty treat. It's a nutritional powerhouse. You're getting immune support, anti-inflammatory benefits, and digestive boosts all in one glass. Talk about a win-win. Not to mention, staying hydrated is essential for every bodily function, and strawberry lemonade can be a delicious alternative to plain water. So, if you struggle to drink enough water throughout the day, this might just be the solution for you. Here's a quick fact. Up to 75% of Americans are chronically dehydrated. Dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, and even affect your mood. By making a simple switch to strawberry lemonade, you can increase your water intake while enjoying a flavorful boost to your day. So, next time you're feeling thirsty, why not whip up some strawberry lemonade? Not only will you satisfy your taste buds, but your body will thank you too. Trust me, your health will thank you with every sip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more health tips, and leave a comment below if you're ready to make strawberry lemonade your new go-to drink. And hey, don't miss out on our next video where we uncover more superfoods that are hiding in your kitchen right now.